Hey guys, today we are going to be opening up my Notpolish Luxe Pro Rechargeable LED lamp. I'm super excited for this, guys. I could not get this in Canada, so my hubby had to go above and beyond for me to get me this for Christmas. So let's open her up. I took the plastic off already. I was gonna open her and then I'm like, you know what, let me do it with my YouTube channel since I haven't dropped a video yet. But yeah, so we open her up and let me just move my candle so I don't burn the box. Okay, so we open her up and the first thing there is the Notpolish's limited warranty policy, which is good. We love a good warranty. And it basically covers defects in material and workmanship for a period of 1 year, which is not bad. I love this. I love this. Okay, so here she is, guys. Here she is. I'm so excited. So she comes in a bag, of course. I love a good bag, protective bag. So let's take it out. Oh my. Look at that, guys. Let me just move this box out of the way so we can see, and then we'll look and see what comes in the box and whatnot. So this is her. All right. So it has the Luxe Pro Rechargeable lamp. Okay. Little screen here. 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. We have a power button over here, and then this is most likely to charge it. All right. We have Notpolish nail design over here, and then look at the bottom of her. So what I love about this is it has the LED all around, so we don't have to worry about the thumbs not curing. Because when you put your hand in, it has them at the side. So this is what I really loved about the lamp, was the fact that, you know, we can dry the thumbs. Okay, so before we turn her on, let's see what else came in the box. All right. So we see in the warranty, of course. The bag. All right. Now I'm pretty sure this little box would be the charger. Open her up. Okay, put it in the bag. It's pretty big. You know, long. Nice charger. So we have the warranty registration card. Register your Luxe Pro LED lamp prior to use. Okay, so I'm going to do that for sure. And then we have the Luxe Pro Rechargeable, probably instructions. Yeah. So this is good to have. Okay, so it's 100 watts max powerful curing. Nice. Cordless and rechargeable power system. Okay, I want to see how long does it last when you charge it. Okay. That is definitely something I would like to know. Okay, so one charge lasts approximately 3 hours of working life. Okay, hold on. 500,000. Okay, the lamp is 78 watts and has estimated life of 50,000 hours of use. Lamp is rechargeable. One charge lasts approximately 33 working hours. Okay, girl, I do not know. That don't make no sense. Hopefully she don't die quick, okay? All right. So this is the plate, the metal plate that you would put inside, and yeah, I guess your hands would just kind of So that's all that's in the box. Let's just throw it all back in here for now. I'm gonna keep the charger out and the metal plate. So I'll just put that in there. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave it like that. Okay. Where's the instructions? Okay. Let's keep out the instructions too. All right, let's put this box to the side. Okay, so we have the plate. We have the lamp. Okay, let me just move this over a little bit. And let's look at the instructions and see how we put this together. Okay. So I guess we just slide it in. It's a removable plate. All right. Okay, yeah. If you see, like, here, it has, like, little parts where, you know, you can slide it in there. Let's take off the plastic. Let's take the plastic off. Ooh. So satisfying. Look at that. Wow. I don't even want to use it. Like, I don't even want nobody's handprints to get on it. That's why I'm using gloves. Okay. So let's slide it in here. Okay. Alright. Let me see. Let me try turn it upside down. Maybe it will be easier. Okay. Alright. I like that. It's like, you know, sturdy. Like, it's not, doesn't feel like it's weak or anything. Okay, perfect. Now, oh my god, look at the inside. Doesn't it look like a P. Diddy music video? It definitely does. Okay, let's turn her on. Let's take off this if I can with these gloves. Perfect. Okay. Power on. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Okay, let's test her out. Okay, 10. Nice. And then it shows your battery is full. I like this a lot. Okay, 60. Cool. 90. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Now, wow, look at that. Told you guys, like a music video. Okay, so let's just like, okay, it's on right now. Now it's off. I didn't press no buttons, so when we put our hand in, you see how it lights up? And you can feel the heat instantly. Wow, absolutely beautiful. So let's test out, I mean, we don't really need to test out the charger because it's already fully charged, but as you can see over here, let me just get it into frame. Okay, simple charging port, right? Okay, so that is me unboxing the lamp. I am gonna try her out. I actually have a few press-on orders that I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is record me doing a pair of press-on nails, and then we'll try out the lamp in that same video. So if you would like to see more of me or hear more of me and what I have to show and offer when it comes to nails and products, subscribe, like, comment. I'm not really good at this, but I will be. So like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, the next video will be me doing a pair of press-on nails and trying out this lamp and seeing how it cures and whatnot. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.